right, the last thing we can do in our operations with functions is the division. And so again, we have an f function, x squared minus x minus 12, and a g function, x plus 3. Here tells us what operation that we are to perform with these two functions. This is division. Anytime you see a fraction, numerator divided by denominator, that's all a fraction is a division problem. So the first thing we need to do is just set it up properly. So for the numerator, we have the f function, x squared minus x minus 12. And for the denominator, we have the g function, x plus 3. Now, I hope you remember your Algebra 1 teacher telling you that you will factor the rest of your life in high school math, because they were absolutely correct. And so we want to know if we can break this trinomial down into two binomials, and we may be able to cancel something in the denominator. So let's think to ourselves, I need a factor pair of 12 with a difference of -1. So if you think of the factor pairs of 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 have a difference of 1, and because this 1 is negative, we want to have x minus 4 times x plus 3. So now all we've done in this first step is to break this trinomial down into its two factors, which is x minus 4 times x plus 3. Now, if you notice, we can cancel the x plus 3 top and bottom, and our simplified answer is x minus 4. However, because our domain is now restricted, we have to make sure that we make a note that our x value cannot be -3. Because if we enter a -3 in here, -3 plus 3 would make our denominator 0, which will give us an error. Therefore, in this particular problem, we cannot have a -3 in our answer in place of x. So we have to make sure that we've restricted the domain as well as simplifying the problem. And that always is going to come into play when we're doing division problems. And that is division of functions.